Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Fashion Nova's new makeup brand, Nova Beauty. I'm going to pop up a little video of the actual PR package. It has like a whole glass top to it, which shattered in the mail. I really wish I could have shown you guys in person because it's such a cool packaging, but at least you get to see the video. The entire collection consists of cream lipsticks, lip glosses, and we also have lip liner in here. Everything is vegan and cruelty-free, and there is a lot in this collection, so let's just get to swatching. First up, I'm going to start out with the High Shine lip glosses. Look at all these shades. First up, we have If You Know, You Know, which is a very light baby pink. Select. Thirsty, which is like a sheer peach. Tea. No Cap. Moody. Dime. Sauce. Fire. Paloma. Period. Okay, this is the shade Thick. So this is just a clear gloss. This is the one that I used for the lip tutorial that you guys will see at the end of the video. But yeah, it's not worth swatching it because it already has some residue on from the lipstick, but just know that it's a clear gloss. Next up, we have the Nova Cream lipsticks. This isn't all of them. I can't hold them all up. There's 26 shades. But this formula is medium to buildable. There are also 3 finishes, so there's matte, satin, and shimmer. I might need to do these swatches in 2 separate rounds. We have Sequin, Napa, Lavish, Royalty, Day Trip, BB Girl, Poppin', Cutie, OG, Heaven, Indulgence. I don't know how these all of a sudden just got super crooked. Maybe I'll try to straighten them out. Real, Tone, Dream, Vibes, Divine, 100, Blaze, Attached, Rosette. I'm determined to keep these all on one arm. We only have 5 more to go. Days. I wonder if you guys can fully see this one on camera. It's right here, but it almost has like a an undertone of gold in it. So it's like an orangey gold. Flare. Whoa. Whoa. Extra. Reset. And last but not least, this is the one that I used on my lips today. This is Pleasure. Pleasure. Okay, don't judge that last swatch. I just can't, it's like all bony with my elbow. The really cool thing about these, I wanted to mention, these are magnetic cases. I just think that's a cool party trick. These are also very moisturizing, so you don't need to wear chapstick and they don't get all crackly. And last but not least, we have the Nova Beauty Snatched lip liners. These are really cool because they have a built-in sharpener that keeps this diamond shape. They also have a brush tip that you can turn your liner into a lipstick or just smudge the edges of your lipstick to make it look more natural. I swatched the shade Nude first, since this is the one that's on my lips right now. This formula is also long-lasting and creamy, but it has a matte finish, so it's not gonna like bleed or transfer. This is Pink Nude 1, Pink Nude 2. Okay, so this is Pink Nude 1, so I put it right at the top. I didn't realize that there were different shades of nude, so I figured I'd go in order. This is Red 1. This is Red 2. It has a slight bit of pink in it, so it's more of like a blue base red. Coral 1, Brown 1, and Brown 2. Now we're gonna head into the tutorial portion of the video where I show you guys how everything actually looks on the lips. That's how I got this lip look right here. So yeah, if you wanna see that, keep watching. All right, let's try these out. I'm gonna be using the Snatched lip liner in Nude. It also has a blending brush that you can use the formula all over your lips and blend it in, or to give more of a natural lip liner look, you can just smudge it. That's normally what I would do with my finger, but it's nice to have a brush to do that. I already feel like I'm gonna love this shade because it looks like it's very close to my natural lip shade. Oh yeah. I like that it's a full coverage formula. I don't have to really like try hard to fill it in. Yeah, I'm really liking this lip liner. I'm just gonna grab the blush side and smudge it along the bottom here. Okay, lip liner is done. I really like this formula. I like the diamond shape. That way you can kind of choose whether you want a thicker line or a thinner line. And I really like the brush to make it look just a little bit more natural, especially on the bottom. It worked really well. On the top, I do like more of a crisp line, especially if I'm gonna go in with a gloss. I like to kind of smudge it out with the gloss. But anyway, let's move on to the lipstick. So this is the shade Pleasure, and this is the satin finish. Ooh, it feels really nice. And it also has a really subtle scent to it. I can't really pinpoint it. Almost like a hint of fruit, but nothing overpowering if you're really sensitive to scents. Oh yeah, I knew I was gonna love this shade. I really love the shade, and I like the silk finish of it. I've been kind of steering away from mattes because I don't really like that dried out look. And the satin makes your lips look a little bit bigger because you can see the shine. I just love it. Let's move on to the gloss. I've been really big into lip glosses if you guys have been watching me recently. We're gonna be using the shade Thick. So this is just a clear gloss. This is in the High Shine formula. Oh yeah, definitely a nice shine. This is where I said I like to smudge my lip liner with the lip gloss that I'm using. This just blends it in. The thing that I really like about this gloss is that it's not sticky, and you don't get that like sticky feeling when you rub your lips together, or when you're like talking and your lips kind of like, it'll almost look like a spit bubble here, and it's just from accumulation of lip gloss. But this has a really smooth effect. It also feels like a chapstick, not a lip gloss, but it looks like a lip gloss, and it doesn't have a scent for anyone wondering. I really like it. But that is the entire collection, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'll also include a link for you to purchase. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.